Hey guys, welcome back to a Delft Stack. Today I will be showing you how to clear history on Brave browser. So to do this, of course, first things first is open up the Brave browser into your computer. Now, first go to the history. So you could go there by going to the three lines on the top right corner over here. And now you can just simply go ahead and then go for the history over here. Now on the history, you could go for the shortcut key, which is Ctrl H. So just simply go ahead and go for this history. And now once you are on the history, you should be able to see all of the history that you did. And if you want to delete a specific history, you could just simply select the three dots over here to the specific history that you did, and you could delete a specific history. Now, in order for you to clear your browsing history, you will just simply go delete browsing data here on the left side of the screen, as you can see. And from here, guys, you will have multiple options. So make sure to select the browsing history, and you can uncheck everything if you don't want this to be deleted, and select time range as all time. So all of the history that you did during the very first when you installed this browser will be deleted, and select delete data down below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.